Okay, so I was going to start with the generator today, but I remembered we've got this Rototiller and we don't garden anymore. So it's just coming into spring, so I figured I would deal with this one and get it up for sale. I did put it away several years ago with gas in it, so that is bad. We're going to have to drain the tank, clean the carb, probably do an oil change on it, and see if we can get her fired up. So cleaned all this out of the tines and decided to check, see if we had spark. I had to shut the door because it's really hard to see it. I'll see if I can. Yeah, you're not going to be able to see it. I got to hold. There is spark there. So, moving on. Okay, so I'm going to set you right here and we're going to try and get it to fire off of starting fluid. See if this is even worth doing. Yeah, it's running off of starting fluid. So now drain the tank and we'll tear into the carburetor and probably put it in the ultrasonic cleaner. And we have to address that. Alright, we'll be back. Well, that's what came out of the gas tank. Doesn't really smell like gas or like bad gas. But, yeah, strange. I got that out of there. That was water that was in the dang tank. Strange. It's not too rusty inside. Surprised. But I wonder what the likelihood of just adding gas and getting this thing to fire might be. Well, let's try it. Okay, that didn't work. So carburetor's coming off. Okay, so had to pull the muffler. Had to pull the choke. And then there's one. Let me grab. These are Torx. I believe they're T20. This one right back here, the angle coming down is such a degree that I stripped it, or started to strip it.